Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my simple go-to in-shower wash and go routine. So this is a routine that I do like to do when I don't have a ton of time, or if I'm just too lazy to do my normal elaborate curl reset routine, which, as most of you guys know, is very tedious and elaborate and time consuming, I know. So if you can't fit enough time into your schedule to do that routine, then this routine is for you. So this routine just saves me a whole lot of time when I know I still need to wash, condition, and style my hair, but I want to go ahead and do it in a limited amount of time. Which brings me to today's sponsor, which is Redken. So thank Redken so much for sponsoring today's video. Kendra and I have both been using Redken for about 8 or 9 years. If you guys are OG subscribers on this channel, then you know how long we've been using Redken. You guys know I'm obsessed with the anti-snap line and the all soft line, and that's the line I'm going to be using today, the all soft line. I'm obsessed with that line. It's one of my favorites of all time. So this routine is also going to be super helpful for my girls who are trying to simplify your routine. If you guys watch our how to not stress in 2024 video over on the vlog channel, then you guys know this was one of the steps, simplifying your routines. So this routine should be super helpful for you. So this will be a voiceover, so I can explain to you guys in detail what I'm doing in the shower. So yeah, with all that being said, we're going to go ahead and hop right into the routine. Okay guys, so here's my hair before. This was a wash and go gone wrong. I didn't really like the results. My hair was all straight and crunchy at the ends, so I was ready to wash this out. So first I'm going to go in with the Redken All Soft shampoo. This shampoo has argan oil in it, which really helps moisturize the hair while you're getting a nice gentle cleanse. It also softens the hair, which I love, especially when I'm doing this routine, because my hair does tend to get a lot more tangled when I'm using one of my clarifying shampoos, like in my curl reset routine. I love that this has a nice creamy consistency, so if your hair is on the drier side, I highly recommend giving this one a try. And it does all this before I even have to apply my conditioner, which is a super bonus for me because this saves me even more time. And I always shampoo twice, so my second wash I always like to go in with a scalp massager just to make sure I get all the buildup off my scalp and ensuring that my scalp is nice and clean, because the first wash is usually just to get rid of any of the product that's in your hair, and then the second wash is usually to actually cleanse the hair. So always make sure you're shampooing your hair twice. That's a big mistake I used to make back in the day by not shampooing twice, and I didn't realize how much buildup I was leaving behind. So I always make sure I squeeze out the excess water before applying my conditioner, just to make sure that my hair soaks up the conditioner. And of course I'm going to be using the Redken All Soft conditioner. It's also enriched with argan oil and deeply hydrates to give your hair moisture and shine. It has a nice thick consistency that helps the detangling process. And this is one of the very few conditioners that can get my hair as soft and as manageable as a deep conditioner slash hair mask, because you guys know I typically only use conditioners to detangle my hair and prep my hair for a deep conditioner. But this one does all that on its own. So if your hair is dry and brittle, this is going to save you a lot of time in the shower on wash day. So when doing this particular routine, I like to halfway rinse out the conditioner. So I leave about 40% of the conditioner in my hair. So it kind of acts as a first styler. So this might sound kind of weird, but this works wonders for me when I'm doing this routine. When doing this, you can kind of feel how much conditioner is left in your hair, because usually I'll rinse until I see that the water is clear. But here you can see that the water is still kind of creamy looking. So this is going to aid in being a big help during the styling process. So next I'm going to use the Redken One United Leave-In treatment. It's a multi-benefit leave-in conditioner, and it's an all-in-one treatment. This has a ton of benefits, 25 to be exact. It can be used as a heat protectant spray for your hair, and it helps protect your hair from breakage while styling. And I love that it actually enhances the benefits of other leave-in treatments that you may apply right after. It also offers anti-frizz protection and is safe for color treated hair, which I do have. And I really like how lightweight this is, yet effective. You guys know that I usually always like to use a spray leave-in in all my routines before going in with any other stylers. It just keeps the hair detangled and more manageable throughout the styling process, causing less breakage. So after I applied the One United leave-in treatment, I did go in and apply a leave-in cream just for some added hold and definition. And now I'm just going to go in and do the plopping technique that I usually do when I'm not using a gel. So if you don't usually use gels, then this plopping technique really does help with defining the curls more. So I'll just leave this on my head while I do the rest of my shower routine, and then I take it down once I get out after I do my skincare routine and let my hair air dry. So here's the next day. My hair is fully air dried. I really love these results, specifically in wintertime, because I like that my hair is soft and fluffy but still defined. As you can see, there's the before and after. I loved how my hair turned out. So this is the perfect winter wash and go. Let me know if you try out this routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.